Welcome to Sandra's Sensations. I'm going to be doing a reverse dip painting. Flowers. Again, I know. But I want to try it differently this time. I usually put the colors just on one canvas and then use this canvas with the white acrylic on it and press down and get two paintings. This time I want to do two main colors on this one, two main colors on this one, and then do the reverse dip. And I forgot to put my microphone on again. Sorry, everybody. Okay, microphone is on. Hopefully that's better. Again, welcome everyone. For everybody that keeps coming back to watch, thank you so much. I very much appreciate it. And anybody that's new to my channel, please hit subscribe. It would be much appreciated and I would be very thankful. All right, so again, I'm just going to repeat what I just said because I didn't have my microphone on. I'm going to do two colors on this canvas, two colors on this canvas, and do a reverse dip. Hopefully it comes out as flowers. I've got berry wine and a new wild berry. Just mix this color up. That's going to go on this canvas. And we've got my apple red and bright violet. The white's ready to go on here. I did have a couple of ladies ask me in comments about my glue mixture. So this is what I use. It's Elmer's glue and it's always 50-50. So I wrote on my jug here I had that much glue, added that much water. That's my mixture that I put into my paints. And so if I fill this bottle up this far with acrylic paint, I'm going to fill it up that far with glue and water. That's a quick gist of the mix I use. Everybody's different. Some people only use water. Some people use Floetrol. I prefer the glue and water mixture. I think it just pours a little nicer. And I'm able to do like my swan painting or my dragonfly where there's a little bit less movement you want. So that's why I do it that way. This is the white actually. I have here, hopefully I can get it up close enough. You can see the consistency pouring off the stick. That's the white base. That's what you want it to look like. Anyways, I hope that helps. Please give pour painting a try. It is addicting, but you will love it. Okay, let's start this painting. I did forget to pull out a green though. I want to have a green in there. So I'm going to pull up my sat green and a little bit of yellow. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So first I'm going to do this side with my berry wine. And I think I'm going to do a little bit of a petal shape. I did puddles on my last video. Turned out beautiful. This time I'm going to do petals and see if it makes that much of a difference. Okay, so this one I'm going to do red petals. And of course it's not going to be exactly the same. They're two totally different canvases, but that's the idea. I want the colors to go over top of each other. Okay, and then I'm going to do some, sorry I'm blocking the view. I'm going to do the bright violet. If I can get the lid off. And I'm going to go swiggly through the center of each of these kind of petals. There we go. And in the middle of this one, I'm going to be doing the wild berry, the new color. All right. Sorry, I got to wipe my hand off. I just got berry paint all over it. Okay, we'll move the berry aside. So I've got two colors here, two colors here. I'm going to do a little bit of greens, which I'm just going to do a little mess of dots here. I'm going to do green on both canvases. And I'm just going to do a line, kind of like dots. Okay, I'm going to do a couple dots up here, a couple over here, same here, same here. This is all just pretty much trial and error. Might have to add paint, might not have enough. Who knows? So let's just add a bit of yellow. Okay. Let's see if that's enough paint. Now I also have risers I'm using tonight. Helps bring my canvas up a little closer to me. My back was bugging me a little bit when I was bent over, so hopefully this helps a little bit. And if you're curious about the risers, this is what I'm using. It's an empty Pringles snack container. It has little grooves in it. The canvas sits in there perfectly. So if you're ever looking for risers, have yourself a couple of Pringles snacks and you'll be set to have, okay, you need to have a minimum of 4 risers. 4 snacks for 4 risers. It's just a little snack, no big deal. Okay, I'm going to bring this canvas over. This is an 11 by 14 on top of this 11 by 14. And I'm going to press down and hope we got enough paint in there. If not, we'll add more. It'll be interesting to see if this works. I watch lots of YouTube videos and I can honestly say I don't think I've seen anybody do it this way, so we'll see. Maybe it's going to be a Sandra trademark. Wouldn't that be cool? Okay. I'm getting ready to lift this up. And hopefully, once again, we have a 10-minute masterpiece times 2. Okay, I'm going to try and lift this up without losing my risers below it. Ooh, that's interesting. Okay. That's actually really cool. Really cool. I'm going to lift this so you can see it closely. Look at that. I haven't even torched it or anything yet. The only thing is though, I feel like I'm missing color there. I might just do a double dip and add a little color there. Yes, I'm going to. I'm going to do some berry because I love that color. And I'm going to do a little bit of the new wild berry in there. Not much. And just in case there's not enough white there to get some proper flow happening or merge of colors, I'm just going to add a little bit on this canvas before I re-dip it. Down here seems to need some. This canvas has got lots. I'll just add a little bit. Okay, gonna re-dip. Fingers crossed this works. Okay, so now I want to do this guy this way. Got it lined up good? Yes, I do. Okay, so it's gonna be a 15-minute masterpiece, but that's all good. It'll still be a quick video. Okay, we're going for it. Fingers crossed. That is awesome. Okay, now I'm happy I got enough paint. Got to give it a torch. Oh, that turned out excellent. Okay. I love it when things come together. Okay. Let's give it a torch. Get all those bubbles out. Get some cell action happening. Okay, so this one looks like it's got a bit more paint on it than this one, which is totally fine. I'm going to show you this one because it's less likely to pour paint off the canvas. But this is what it looks like close up. There we go. Isn't that gorgeous? Worked out beautifully. Alrighty. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope many of you grab a couple canvases, some acrylic paint, glue and water, and make your own masterpiece. Something to be proud to hang in your home. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Come back and watch more videos later. I'd appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.